Hey, welcome back. My name's Summer here, and I have such a fun video to share with you guys today. I am so excited about this one because this one has been a long one in the making. I have been working on this project for an amazing family in Hermosa Beach since September, and it's finally finished, and I'm finally ready to share it with you guys today. We went for this awesome kind of like modern farmhouse meets the beach kind of a vibe in there, and I think it works out so good. It suits their family and their lifestyle, and it looks so beautiful, and I can't wait to share it with you. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please, I beg you to help out your girl and subscribe to my channel below because that actually really helps me. So I would appreciate your support. So check out what I did. After checking out Rachel and Eric's space, I knew immediately that they needed my help. They have 2 young kids, so there's a lot of clutter and a little bit of disorganization happening. This is a very odd shaped space, so they really needed my help with furniture layout and positioning the space so it felt more open and inviting. We created a board on Pinterest to get some inspiration. We were going kind of for this like modern farmhouse meets the beach vibe with using like some natural wood tones and textures and keeping it really light and airy and fresh in that space. I then created a mood board for Rachel and Eric's space. I love doing the mood boards because it really sets a theme and tone for the overall vibe of the space. And I think that it's so interesting to take a look back on these because it always evolves into something even better in the end. And that's exactly what we did in this space here. I then created some sketches so I could come up with a better floor plan for their furniture and how this space could be used better. I knew immediately that I wanted to switch placement of the rooms. Prior to, they had their couch on the right side and the table on the left side, and I just felt like by swapping them, it would just make it feel more inviting, and so that's exactly what we did. I knew immediately that I wanted to mount the television on the fireplace rock wall and use a wooden beam. This was definitely the biggest part of this project, was being able to find somebody who could help us get this thing up. I even had certain people tell me that it couldn't be done, but we didn't accept no for an answer, and it looks amazing, and we got it done. So I'm here today, and I'm with Ralph, and he is the owner of this shop here, and he's the mantle guy, right?
Hello.
Hello, thank you for having us, and we are here picking out a mantle for our new project, and you were telling me that you custom make these?
Yes, yeah, come on in, I'll show you.
Okay, cool. Look at all your stuff you've got here. You got...
There's a,
No, you can...
There's a custom one right here, just made for a customer.
Cool. How long have you been making mantles?
Well, I've been doing mantles exclusively for about 20 years now, but I grew up in the woodworking business.
Okay.
My dad and my grandpa were all in the cabinet and construction woodworking business.
Amazing. Well, I'm so glad I found him on Yelp, and it's been such a breath of fresh air because I found exactly what we're looking for. We're looking for some like reclaimed wood, or like these are like wood beams, correct?
Right, yeah, these are actually made from new wood, but if you notice the ends here, the way they look just like a solid piece, not like some of these people will make a box and just return a piece
right.
on the side. These actually have end grain, so they look like a solid piece of wood.
Perfect.
And if you just look at the back, you can see how they're hollow.
Awesome, that's exactly what we need, because for my project here, we're trying to hide the television cord so we can like mount the television above.
Yeah, that's great to hide wires too. What you do to install them, you would mount this to the wall.
Okay.
And then the mantle just slips right over that.
Cool.
Some finish nails through the back.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, thanks Ralph for having me here, and your name Ralph, and this is the mantle guy, and he can find you on Yelp. What about your web address? Do you have a web address?
The website is themantleguy.com.
Mantleguy.com. Thanks.
The Mantle Guy.
Themantleguy.com. Thanks, Ralph. I was beyond excited that I found Ralph to help us build this amazing wooden mantle. It looks so beautiful, guys, and it was exactly what we were looking for, and at a pretty great price too, and supporting local business. And it's finally up, and oh my gosh, you guys, this has me so excited because this was such a feat, and we got it done. I felt like if I could find a way to get this done, like I could do anything. Being that this is one large space, I really wanted to designate the dining area, and I did that by adding a light fixture. We brought in an awesome team who put this up so quick. Our project wouldn't be complete without doing a little bit of DIYs. In my mood board, I found this beautiful blue buffet that was over $900. We found one similar style on OfferUp, and I refinished the whole thing, and it looks so awesome. If you didn't get a chance to check out that video, the link is up above and in the description box below. You should go check that out. So I'm making a little DIY project for the cupping drawers for their little gallery wall that they have. I found this little piece of wood at Goodwill for like $1 or something, and it had this painted arrow on it, which is cute but kind of not what my vibe is for the space. So I just turned it around like so, and I drilled some holes in here and strung some twine through it. Now I've used a pencil, and I'm gonna put their last name and burn it into the wood using this like soldering tool. I apologize, my little tip there broke off, so I'm doing the best that I can with this, and I think it's gonna be really cute and just kind of personalize their space. Another little DIY project we did for this space was Eric loves to shoot photography, and he had some beautiful beach photography of Hermosa that we had custom framed and hung in the space. A next big part of this project was updating this sofa. This sofa was very worn down and lived in, and it was definitely time for an update. We went up to Living Spaces to get a custom new sofa / sectional. They even have like this awesome little design program that we were able to like plug in our measurements, because we had very specific measurements that we needed in order to make this work, and they were really helpful in getting this all together for us, and it was awesome. I love picking up some used furniture items or just like vintagey types of finds that I can get. I love this store, Habitat Restore in Torrance. I found these amazing kind of mid-century vibe lamps that I really had to do some convincing, but now it's like one of their favorite things in the space. So we are on day 1 today of getting our painting started here at Rachel and Eric's place, and I got a really pretty bluish greenish color, and I can't wait to see what it looks like up on these walls. We've just got everything taped up, and we are putting plastic down on the ground just to make sure things stay clean. So check out what we do in here. Another way that I wanted to create separation and designate the dining space was by adding a really cool accent color wall. The time has finally come, and the couch is almost on its way, and so the cupping drawers actually had to like break this couch, physically break it to get it out of their space in preparation for the new one to come. So the whole family took part in getting rid of the old couch. Excited about this. Come and check out what I did.